Wala, bola ng black. Mon tumira sa dos. Yes, sir! 2 points by Mon. Wala naman ang boss mula kay Mon para sa third game. Mel dribbling the ball. Uy, napunta kay Kenneth ang bola. Kenneth nagdadala ng bola. Tumira! Puso! 3-0 score. Napunta kay Kenneth ang bola. Kenneth jumper. Wala. Nakuha pa rin ni Kenneth ang bola. Kenneth pinasa kay Mon. Mon puso pa 2. And good! 2 points by Mon. 5-0 ang score. Makalipas sa 1 minuto. Alvarez tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Mon ang bola. Mon nagbababa ng bola. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth nabitawan na. Punta kay Alvarez. Gumulong-gulong ang bola. Good guys. Hustle. Alvarez still has the ball. To the basket foul ang tawag ni Alvarez.
Wala naman!
Inbound by Alvarez. Pass to 10. Rivel, wala na. Kuha ni Angelo ang bola. Angelo nagdadala ng bola si Angelo. Pinasa kay Neo. Tumira. Pasok! Grabe, pasok pa rin. 6-0 ang score. Kahukong pass to Neo. Neo to the basket. Tapos nakuha ni Mel ang bola na sundatan. Pero Neo still dribbling the ball. Neo, layup. No good. Eric gets the ball. Eric, nagdadala ng bola si Eric. Uy, nabitawan at na-turnover kay Angelo. Angelo dribbling the ball, driving, bounce pass to Kenneth spins. Uy, pinasa kay Angelo. Angelo, pass to, nabuto kay Kenneth. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon, 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mel, puso pa 2. Airball! Bola ng white team. 6-0 pa rin ang score. Makalipas ang 3 minuto. Remuel nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Alvarez. Alvarez pass to Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Mel ang bola. Pinasa kay Mark. Mark nagdadala ng bola si Mark. Layup is good. 7-0. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling, driving, layup is good. Veterans move by Eric. 7-1 ang score. 7-1. Angelo dribbling the ball. 7 minutes remaining time. Angelo driving, jumper. Wala. Nakuha ni Alvarez ang bola. Alvarez dribbling the ball. 2v2. Puso pa 2. Short nakuha ni Mel ang bola. Mel pinasa kay Mon. Mon dribbling the ball. Mon nagdadala ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakawala. Tumira. Pasok! Hindi mapipigilan ang atake ni Mon. 8-1 ang score. Nagdadala ng bola. Foul ang tawag. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Renz. Ay! Nakuha ni Kenneth. Napunta kay Mon. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth layup is good. 9-1 ang score. Remel pass to Archie. Archie dribbling. Perimeter. Short now. Gets the ball. Pinasa pero nahuli. Ang ganda ng depensa. Nakuha ni Mel ang bola. Mel pass to Kenneth. To basket. Short nakuha ni Eric ang bola. Eric nagbababa ng bola si Eric dribbling the ball. Dumidiretso. Uy! Napitawan ng bola. Turnover kay Angelo. Angelo dribbling. Driving. Bounce pass to Kenneth. Kenneth fakes. Uy! Outside. The bola. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Inbound by Angelo. Paso. Uy! Masyadong malaki ang bantay. At na-turn over kay Alvarez. Alvarez. Layout. Shot! Nakuha ni Mon ang bola. Mon. Nagdadala ng bola si Mon. 5 minutes remaining time before the change court. 9-1 ang score. Mon nagdadala ng bola. Nice screen pass to Angelo. Angelo drives into the basket. Is good. 10-1 ang score. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Uy! Nag-dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ng maigi. Ay! Napunta sa outside. Nice defense by the black team. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Siyam ang kalamangan ng black team. Mo nagdadala ng bola. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth nagdadala ng bola. Ay! Nakuha pa rin ni Mel. Jumper is good. 11-1. 10 puntos ang kailangang habulin ng white team. Alvarez nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Archie Bomba. Nahuli. Foul ang tawag ni Archie. 11-1 ang score. 11-1. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Inbound. Ay! Alvarez, 5 seconds to shoot to the basket. Wala ng bola. Alvarez pasok. Wala hustle. 11-2 ang score. Mon, nagdadala ng bola. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 11-10 ang score. 9 points ahead. Ang black Mel. Foul ang tawag ni Mel. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Inbound by Mel. Pass to Mon. Mon dribbling the ball. Pass to Angelo. Jumper. No good. Eric gets the ball. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Hey! Foul ang tawag. 11-2 ang score. 11-2. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Hey! Natin over kay Mon. Mon! Tumidiretso, pumeke. Dribbling. Nice defense by Alvarez. Mon tumila sa boss. Wala, nakuha. Nakuha ni Kenneth. Pass na down to the basket. Basket! 12-2 ang score. Nel, nagdadala ng bola si Nel. Umaatake. Nilabas kay Remuel. Tumila sa boss. Wala, nakuha ni Kenneth ang bola. Kenneth nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Angelo. Angelo dribbling. Side step, tumila. Uy, wala. Foul ang tawag. Foul. Last 2 minutes before the change court. 12-2 ang score. 12-2. Inbound by Kenneth. Pass to Mon. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mon dribbling. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Mark, nabitawan. Foul ang tawag. Shot clock is reset at 14. 12-2 ang score. Inbound by Mel. Pass to Angelo. Mel perimeter. No good. Alvarez gets the ball. Alvarez nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa! Pero kapos at na-turnover kay Mon. Pass to Mel. Mel nagdadala ng bola si Mel. Dribbling. Pass to Mark. Mark. Mismatches. Good! 13-2 ang score. Mel pass to Eric. Eric dribbling the ball. Pinasa! Kay Mel. To Eric. Eric. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, sir! 55 seconds remaining time. Mark pass to Mark. Mark, 50 seconds remaining time. Mark dribbling. Pass to Mon. 45 seconds remaining time. Pass to Kenneth. 10 seconds to shoot. Kenneth dribbling. Pass to Mon. Mon. Uy! Napunta ka Mel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na ang shot clock. Violation. Turnover. Bola ng white team. Mel, walang sinasayang na oras. 30 seconds remaining time. Tumira sa bus. Wala. kay Mark. Pass the ball to the basket. No good. Mon still has the ball to Mel Pumira. What's up? 14-3. 10 seconds remaining time. Revel, pinasa kay Alves. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moranas. Change score. 14-3 ang score. Start of the second half. Archie passes Eric to the middle. Pulls up a two. No good. Archie gets the ball. Pinasa. Pero no turnover kay Mark. Pinasa kay Mel. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth. Layup. Uy, wala. Another try. He's good. 15-3 ang score. 15-3. 15-3. Eric nagdadala ng bola, pinasa kay Alvarez. Alvarez dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Pulls up a two. It is good! 15-5 ang score. 15-5. Ito na ba ang simula ng paghabol? Angelo Basumon. Ipapayag ba ang black team? Pinasa kay Mel. Mel, pinasa kay Mon. 12 seconds to shoot. Mon, bounce pass to Mel. Nagdalawang isip, 5 seconds to shoot. Mel, pass to Mark to the basket. No good. Ay, nakuha. What's the call? Foul. Nasiko sa ulo. Bola ng white. Bola ng white. 15-5 ang score. Bola ng white. Alvarez nagdadala ng bola si Alvarez. Dribbling the ball. Ay, napunta sa outside. Same ball, same ball. 15-5. 8 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time. Inbound by Alvarez. Pass Kahukom. Binalik kay Alvarez. Pumeke. Sumukat. Tumira sa dos. Wala. Nakuha ni Nel ang bola. Tumira. Yes, sir! 15-6 ang score. Angelo nagdadala ng bola. Siyang na lang ng spins and steals the ball. Foul. 15-6 ang score. 15-6. Yeah. Same ball, same ball. Inbound by Kenneth Pasumon. Shot na lang on the right. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Kenneth sumukat. Pumeke nagdi-dribble. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mark. Who's the last touch? Same ball, same ball, same ball. 11 seconds shot clock. Nakuha ni Alvarez ang bola. Foul ang tawag. Grabe, kahit kabang na sila, pero hindi nakukumpiyansa ang black team. 15-6 ang score. Shot lang ang mahabuli ng white. Alvarez. Pass to Eric. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Remuel. Wilson dos. Yes, sir! 2 points by Remuel. Pito na lang ng black. 7 minutes remaining time. 15-8 ang score. 15-8. Mo nagdadala ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Angelo. Angelo. Naghahanap ng kamuka. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Pinasa kay Mark. Tumira. Pasok. 16-8. Alvarez nagdadala ng bola si Alvarez. Dribbling the ball. Pinabantayan ng maigi ni Angelo. Nice defense. Angelo pulls up a two. Short nakuha ni Angelo. Ang bola pass to Mon. Mon nagdadala ng bola. Mon dribbling. 12 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Mel. Mel. Pinasa kay Angelo. Bumaba tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Alvarez nagdadala ng bola si Alvarez. Dribbling the ball. 6 minutes remaining time. Alvarez. Pinasa kay Remuel. Tumira sa dos. Wala. Nakuha. Nakuha ni Angelo. Ang bola. Angelo. Nagbababa ng bola si Angelo. Pinasa kay Mark. Pasu. Kenneth. Tumil. Wow! What a sequence! 17-18 ang score. Pinakitaan ng kasahan. 17-18. Eric nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Archie. Perimeter. Wala. Now ball. Tumira, wala. Foul ang tawag. 17-8 ang score. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Now pass to Eric. 10, 9, Eric sa dos. Wala, nakuha ni Alvarez lang. Labot ka kay Angelo. Angelo, pinasa kay Mon. Mon nagdadala ng bola si Mon. Dribbling, pass to Kenneth. Kenneth, napunta kay Archie. Ang bola, Archie nagdadala ng bola. 5 minutes remaining time. Tumel, masyadong malayo. Turnover, Mark to Mel. To Mon. Ay, hindi pala. Mel nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Mon. Mon dribbling. 15 seconds shot clock. The black team is stalling. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mel. To the basket. No good. Alvarez gets the ball. Bilang mo. Kay Mel ang bola. Mel. Nagdadala ng bola si Mel. Dribbling. Spins. Tumira. Yes, sir! What a tough shot by Mel. 17-9 ang score. 17-9. Mon nagdadala ng bola, pinasa kay Mark sa gitna. Mark dribbling. Foul ang tawag. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 10, 9, 8. Oy! Nakuha pa ni Angelo ang bola. 4, 3, 2. Wala. Nakuha. Good. Alvarez, pinasa. Mel to the basket. It's good! Pito na lang alamang. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Papayag ba ang black team na mahabol ang kanilang kalamangan? Mon nagdadala ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Mon driving. 8 seconds. Angelo nagdadala ng bola. Oy! Foul ang tawag. Shot clock is reset. Mel to Mon to Mel. Mel! Nagdadala bola. Oy! Same ball. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Mark. Naghahanap ng kamukha. Pinasa kay Mel. Jumper. Wala. Nakuha ni Eric. Eric dribbling the ball. Ay! Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Mark ang bola. Mark sumalaksak. Pasok! Nice drive. 18-10 ang score. Alvarez dribbling the ball. Nice bump, pero foul ang tawag. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Inbound by Alvarez. Alvarez binasa kay Eric. Eric dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Remuel, pass to Mel. Mel driving to the basket. It's good! 7, foul, not counted. 18-10 ang score. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Eric nagkawala ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez push up the 2. And it's no good. Nakuha ni Mark ang bola. Pass to Mon. Mon gumagamit ng oras. Last 2 minutes. Pass to Angelo. Angelo jumping. Wala. Nakuha ni Kenneth ang bola. Kenneth 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foul ang tawag. Na-reset pa nga ang shot clock. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. Inbound by Mel. Pass on. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a decoy! Ay, nabitawan pa nga ang bola. 19-10 ang score. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. Bola ng black. Mel pass to Mon. Mon nagdadala ng bola. 15 seconds shot clock. 55 seconds remaining time. Mon, dinidikitan ng maigi pero hawak pa rin ang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass na. What a suspense. Nice assist. 20-10 ang score. 40 seconds remaining time. Remuel nagdadala ng bola. Puso pa 2. Short. Emon. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds remaining time. Mon. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mon. Mon. Dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 secon seconds remaining time. 25 seconds remaining time. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 14. 10. Kenneth for 2. Wala. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.